Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to deposit to Robinhood step by step. Open the Robinhood app or website and sign in to start your deposit. Link a bank account using your bank login or manually enter routing and account numbers. Verify microdeposits if prompted or choose instant transfer limits with debit card. Enter the deposit amount, confirm the transaction, and monitor pending deposits until they clear daily. Connecting a bank is straightforward and secure, and I will walk you through each step with tips to avoid delays. From the account menu, choose Transfers, then Link Bank, and follow the on-screen prompts. Use your bank login for instant verification when available, or add routing and account numbers for the micro deposit method. Watch for 2 small deposits, confirm their amounts, and then enable full transfers right away. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like for more clear guides and quick tips. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot vacuum handles crumbs while you wait for deposits to clear, and it even answers to voice commands for hands-free cleaning. It's a small time saver that keeps your space tidy between trades. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Robinhood offers ACH, wire, and instant debit transfers, and I will explain which option fits your needs best. ACH deposits are free but can take several business days, while wires clear faster but may involve bank fees. Instant transfers use your debit card for a fee and have limits based on account history. Consider recurring deposits to build positions gradually. Always check available buying power before placing trades or investments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.